Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Read in the name of your Lord who created. Khalaqal insana min alaq. He created man from a clot. Iqra wa rabbukal akram. Read, and your Lord is most honorable. Alladhi allama bil qalam. Who taught to write with the pen. Allama al-insana ma lam ya'lam. Taught man what he knew not. Kalla innal insana layatgha. Nay, man is most surely inordinate. Because he sees himself free from want. Inna ila rabbika ruj'a. Surely to your Lord is the return. Ara'ayta alladhi yanha. Have you seen him who forbids? Abdan idha salla. A servant when he prays. Ara'ayta in kana 'ala al-huda. Have you considered if he were on the right way? Aw amara bit-taqwa. Or enjoined guarding against evil. Ara'ayta in kadhaba wa tawalla. Have you considered if he gives the lie to the truth and turns his back? Alam ya'lam bi anna Allah yara. Does he not know that Allah does see? Kalla la illam yantahi lanafsa'an bin nasiyah. Nay, if he desists not, we would certainly smite his forehead. Nasiyatin kadhibatin khatiyah. A lying, sinful forehead. Falyad'u nadiyah. Then let him sermon his counsel. Sanad'u zabaniyah. We too would sermon the braves of the army. Kalla la tuti'hu wasjud waqtarib. Nay, obey him not and make obeisance and draw nigh to Allah.